The video is running.
Okay, good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, miss, that's straight. Leah, can you please read the prayer?
Okay, teacher. Okay, classmates, let's bow down our heads, close our eyes, and let us pray. O God Almighty, behold us, thy loving children. Offering thee today our work and studies. Help us, dear Lord, to be obedient to our teachers, kind to our companions, diligent to our studies, that we will generate thy blessings for ourselves, our school, our beloved family, the Philippines.
Okay, again. Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, you may have your seat. Okay, now, children, how are you?
We're fine, teacher.
Okay, good to know that you are all good children. So now, I'm going to check your attendance. So, where's the abanico?
Teacher present.
Okay, very good.
Salin.
Okay, next, Maria.
Present.
Oh, very good. So, I think there's no absent today. So now, we have a classroom rules here that we all need to follow. So, we done acronym RFID. So, ARFAID. So, teacher will read first and then we follow it. First, always be prepared.
A. Always be prepared.
R, respect others.
R. Respect others.
F, focus on learning.
F. Focus on learning.
A, ask questions.
A. Ask questions.
I, initiate kindness.
I. Indicate kindness.
D, do your best.
D. Do your best.
Okay, are we clear, children?
Yes, teacher.
So that's our classroom rules that we all need to follow. So now is we have an energizer here that we all need to put, to boost our energy and to have an active mind, during our discussion. So children, please stand up. So all you have to do is we're going to follow with the actions and the video. Are you ready, children?
Yes, teacher.
Follow with the actions, children. Okay, children, you may take your seat. Very good. How do you feel, children? Wow, very good. So now, let's make a short recap on our previous discussion. So we talked about the stages of growth in plants last discussion. So can someone volunteer to give me the stages of growth in plants? Okay, Lydia. Okay, very good. So now, what did you observe based on our chart? Okay, Shika. Okay, there's a garden. Okay, Maria.
It does have lighting with the background forest and
Okay, very good. Anyone? Last one. Okay. Okay, very good. So basically, children, this chart shows for the habitat of some basic animals. So this chart is actually the habitat on what we are going to talk about later. So the first one is for the group 1, you will be the team butterfly. Okay? For the group 1, you will be the team butterfly. For the group 2, as you observe in this picture is this is a pond, which is the habitat of a frog. And for the group 3, will be the team chicken. So as you observe from this picture is a farm. Okay, very good. So now I will divide into 3 groups since we have three habitat in our chart. So from Maria to Noor will be the group 1. And from Leia to Castro will be the group 2. And then for the last one is for the group 3 is De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes will be the group 3. So now children, this chart is you're going to participate to earn some rewards for some animals to put it on their habitat. Okay, very good. So now, before we are going to our formal discussion, we will have a short activity. So this activity is will help you guys to understand our concept for today. Now I will give you an envelope with mixed pictures that you are going to arrange it. In order to arrange it, you need to work together as a team. And you need to remember we have a reward chart that you need to participate and you need to earn animals or points. Now for the group 1 is okay, now children, will be the first will be the one who arrange it first accordingly to our stages of different animals. will gain a 3 points. Okay, for that group 2, okay, children, after. Okay, very good. So now, select at least one representative to present that picture on what did you observe. Understood?
Yes, teacher.
Group 2. All the group will receive a points. The group 2 is from and for the group 1 to be the butterfly. And for the last group is be the chicken. Okay, group 2, can you present your
So, if our activity is picture or represents the right triangle of an egg. The egg, chick, and the head.
okay, very good. So basically, from this picture, Taniko said is, this is a life cycle of a chicken. Okay, very good. Next group.
Teacher. So, we've created this. This is the cycle of the frog. So, first is the egg, and then the tadpole, then the froglet, and finally the adult frog.
Okay, very good. So basically, according to Maria, this picture is life cycle of a frog. Very good. Next group.
Basically, this picture records what our lives are from the butterfly. So, it started from the egg, next the butterfly,
Okay, very good. Okay, now children, can you give barangay clap? Okay, now children, since we're done with our activity, let's proceed to our formal discussion. But now, can someone give me on what field or topic or play? Okay? Just say yes. Okay, very good. Our topic for today is the stages of growing animals. What are group are you?
Group 3.
Group 3 will earn chicken. Okay? Our topic for today is all about the stages of growth in animals. So we have four stages of growth in animals. Now children listen carefully children. So first, we have the birth or hatching. So birth or hatching is basically the very beginning of the animal's life. So for example, based from this model children, what did you observe? Okay, Leia?
It's the life cycle of the chicken.
Okay, very good. This model shows a life cycle of a chicken. So basically, from our first stages of birth and hatching, chicken life cycle will start from egg. Okay, very good. And for this children, what did you observe? Okay, Maria.
The life cycle of a frog.
Okay, very good. This model is also shows a frog life cycle. So basically, for our first stages, from birth is we have the eggs from the life cycle of the frog. So now, for our next model is okay, Erica. Okay, very good, exactly. This model shows the cycle of a butterfly. So basically, from our first stages of growth in animals, butterfly will make an egg for the first stages of growth in animals. Okay, very good. So now, we will be moved for our next stages of growth in animals, which is the growth, okay? So growth is the period where the young animal eats, grows bigger, and gets stronger. So based from the butterfly life cycle, from egg to a caterpillar, very good. So basically, the caterpillar, he can eat something and he can grow as bigger and he can get stronger. And for the next model, which is the chicken. So for our chicken, can someone give me what is the next stages according to our stages of growth in animals, which is growth from this model? Earlier we discussed egg, and now, okay, more. Okay, very good. First is we have the egg, and now for the growth is hatching, because the chick from a fresh hatching from his mother, he is going to, he is getting bigger and getting stronger. Okay, very good. Now for the next stages is we have the frog life cycle. So according to our stages of growth in animals, so from egg, which is the bird or hatching, now you will be a tadpole or a larva. Okay, very good. So now we're going to proceed for our next stages growth in animals. So now for the third stages of growth in animals, we have the reproduction or the adult stage. So adult stage or reproduction, basically the stage where the animal is fully grown and able to have babies of its own. So like for the example for the frog, so first we have the egg and he will be going to tadpole, and now for the reproduction is going to froglet. Okay, froglet. For the next model is the chicken from, as you can see, from egg to hatching, now in chick. Okay. So now let's move forward. Third model, which is the butterfly cycle. So from egg into a caterpillar now. Okay, very good. Now, it is a pupa which is under the reproduction. Okay, so now we're going to move to our fourth stages of growth in animals, which is the aging and death. So basically, aging and death children, it is the final part of the life cycle. So it means from egg to caterpillar to pupa, and now finally the butterfly is fully grown up. And now the butterfly is ready to explore something, and until its life is yes, of course. Very, very good. Okay, now for the chicken, from egg to hatching to chick. Now for the aging is adult. So basically, an adult chicken, we can call that rooster or a hen. So hen can produce eggs. Okay? For our next model is we have the frog. Okay. Frog is from eggs to larva and became a froglet. Now, an adult frog. Okay, an adult frog can produce also an egg. Are we clear, children?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Okay, now I have a question before we proceed to our activity. So, children, can someone give me 4 main stages of growth in animals? Okay, Leia.
Birth or hatching, growth, reproduction, and lastly the aging and death.
Okay, very good. You're from group 2. Okay, another one. How many stages the growth of animals? Okay, Maria.
It should have 4 stages.
Okay, very good. For the stages of growth in animals, we have 4 stages. So now let's proceed to our activity. Now children, we will have an activity. For the formation of group, this is still the Same. Are you still in your group?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Where's the group 1?
Here.
Okay, the group 2?
Teacher.
The group 3? Okay, very good. So all you have to do is to arrange these puzzle pictures into all you have to do is to arrange this puzzle picture in order based on their finish from there.
Can we start, teacher?
Not yet, children. Yes, yes. After you're in Sitamorini, you are going to paste it, and you are going to present. Yes, yes, Maria. Now you can start. I will give you at least 5 minutes to complete that puzzle picture. Okay, group. Are you done, children? Okay, now, may I call someone from group 1 to present their output?
For our output, we got the crab life cycle. It starts with an egg, next tadpole, next is the crab life, and finally we become the adult crab.
Okay, very good. So now, may I call someone from the group 2?
So this is the collaborative work. It shows the life cycle of each chicken. From egg to hatching, chick, and lastly
Okay, very good, Leah. So now may I call someone from the group 3? Okay, very good. So now, children, do you understand our topic for today?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Can you please stand up? Do you know how to do a good job clap?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Teacher will teach you on how to do that. So first is Okay, like that lang ha, children. So now, we're going to do that. 1, 2, 3, go! Good job. Good job. Okay, very good. You may have your seat. Okay, now let's move on. Let's have a quiz. Let's see if you have understood our topic. So now, our direction is match the baby animal picture on the left with the correct grown-up name on the right. So all you have to do is you're going to select a letter from this column and then you're going to write here. Understood? Okay. Now you can start answering children. Okay, very good. So now we have okay, I forgot something. Where's your paper? Very good. So now, let's move on to our assignment. Very good. So for your assignment is select one animal. We discussed that clearly shows different stages of growth in your notebook. Draw and label all the stages of growth for you choose. Write one sentence that explains why is it important for us to protect those animals as they grow. Okay, very good. So now, yes. Okay, children, I forgot. That assignment is you are going to pass next meeting. Okay, understood? Okay, very good. So now let's count the points for an animal that Joao earned earlier. So for the group 1, let's count. 1, 2. For the group 2, 1, 2. And for the group 3, 1, 2, 3. So children, who is the winner? Okay, very good. Let's give them an amazing clap. Do you know how to do an amazing clap, children? Okay, like this, then you are going. Teacher will demonstrate first and then you follow. So like this lang ha, children. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Zing, zing, zing. Amazing. So now please stand up, children. 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, zing, zing, zing.
Okay, very good. You may have your seats. So now, children, have you had do you have something new today? Okay, very good. So before we are going to end this discussion, I want you to stand up again and pick the pieces of paper under your chairs and arrange your chairs properly. Okay, very good. Now, goodbye class.